Hello everyone and welcome back. So as promised last week, we're making a witch's hat out of this beautiful vintage fabric. Now, some of you might not think this is beautiful. I think it's really cool. This is an old curtain and we're upcycling it into a witch's hat. So let's get started. How cute is this? So the brim is massive, but it's really cute and it sits quite well. I did think about putting wire in there and I decided not to. Now, I think if you were going to wear this out and about, I don't know, playing D&D or Halloween or some sort of costume party or something like that, or in your garden, it's entirely up to you, then I would probably suggest putting wire in there. But, oh my god, it's so cute! You guys, let me know what you think in the comments. I think this turned out really well. I would maybe make the brim a little bit smaller. And the pattern I used was brilliant, no complaints. I would just make the brim a little bit smaller, but that's just me. You know, some people love a massive brim. And yeah, nothing went wrong. I stitched it all properly, didn't have to unpick any stitches. I did pin wrong sides together at one point, but that was an easy fix because I just pinned them right sides together. So, I'm happy with this. An upcycled witch's hat. Absolutely loving it. Oh well, I don't know what else I can say about this except it's damn cute. And now I feel like I should be maybe setting up a D&D game and being a vintage witch. Okay, as always guys, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I hope you like the hat. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, I will see you next week.